Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing. And then this time I have a broken box as well, and as I was carrying it, this fell from this box. I'm not sure what is this, but it is probably part of some broken phone. So let's dig into this box and see exactly what I got. To tell you the truth, I'm not sure how much I paid for this lot, since I got it a few months ago and it was in this box in my house for a few months, like I said, and I'm not sure what phones to expect here. I know that I bought it for some of the phones. Whoa, 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 look at this phone. Mostly like this because of this Nokia N series in a pink color. Isn't it great looking? I hope it works, but I'm not sure. It is very dusty. And yes, I have that AliExpress Nokia N8. I'm not sure that I have original one, and this one is my first original, and it is so dusty. I will have to clean it. So that's first phone. Second phone, this basic LG phone. Wow, I believe this is 6600. Sorry, 6700S. With this is so cool. But it is hard to press this this ring on the sides. It is great to press in the middle, of course. Great customization here. Okay, let's dig in. And LG, not sure which model exactly. Next, this Samsung. And what is this? Falk Marco Polo Interactive. Is this some sort of navigation? I believe that it is. Let me just try to power it on. Of course, yes, it doesn't work, but I will test it with this cable. This is micro USB. No, mini USB port. Okay, let's continue with two of Samsung phones, and this is Note 2. So that's broken Note 2. And this is maybe some sort of Galaxy, maybe Galaxy 2 or 3. Okay, even more Samsung phones. This is I love you, Samsung, be a princess. Okay. Okay, cool. Another Nokia, and this is 6500S. And is this Omnia? And what is this Compact Bureau Electronics? And it even has a screw here. So that's strange. Okay. And I'm not sure how to remove the battery from this one, but it feels shallow, so maybe it doesn't have a battery inside. So okay, and look at this, another Nokia N8. Am I constantly going saying N8, N9? I'm thinking about N8, and you can see that it's in used condition, but nevertheless it is an original Nokia N8. It doesn't power on, but I will definitely test these phones. Broken Samsung could be something model, I'm not sure. And look at this Wiko phone. with a broken front screen. And Xiaomi also with a broken screen. Okay, let's continue. Some early touch Samsung phones. Xperia, very broken Xperia phones. You can see power button in action here, but it doesn't power on, of course. Wow, this is probably non-working Samsung touch phone. And would you look at this Sony Ericsson 8008 810, so Walkman phone. I'm not sure what's up with these. Is this a magnet? I'm not sure. 3510i. And would you look at this Nokia? It is C2-505. Okay, again this Samsung phone. And what's up with these? Oh, we have also a few tablets, but let's unbox them later. Wika phone. Samsung. Is this S1? I'm not entirely sure. And this Samsung looks like S5 to me. I'm not sure. Oh, Nokia E50. Yes. I'm not sure do I have it or not, but it looks so business-like and classy to me. And 73, very broken and 73. Another navigation, and this one is Garmin. Okay, I have no interest in these navigations. Touch Brain Partner Millennium. Okay, this is some old device, but it is touchscreen. Oh, and it works. I really didn't expect this, so let's select English. Memory words, logic words, target, make letters. Okay, I'm not ready for this. Okay, okay. How do I turn it off? Okay, it is off. But the cool thing, this still works. Probably a battery is inside of this compartment. Well, strange. Well, look at this Motorola phone. Model number here. I don't have this one, so it's cool to have it. Even has a SIM card here. But a cool looking Motorola phone. And this is some Sony Ericsson. Model number here. Let's move to this Samsung basic phone. What do you have here? Oh, this is a swollen battery here and the fake keypad. Okay. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this is a Nexus tablet, and you can see in a terrible condition. Okay, let's move it to a side. A few phones left. This Samsung S1, I believe. Early LG phone. And this is Samsung Duos. Whoa. this feels something newer, but I'm not sure. And it doesn't power on. And the last phone is and this Samsung is this S7. Yes, I believe this is S7. So some newer phones in this lot also doesn't power on. So okay, so that's all. I'm mostly happy for, let me just find this Nokia, two Nokias. And what's interesting also, what do we have here? Okay, I'm mostly happy because of these two phones. I remember this lot when I saw it, and it wasn't as expensive, around 40 euros for all of this. I believe it's a decent buy. And yeah, that's all that I had to share, that I have to share here in this video. I have dirty hands, so I need to wash myself. Yeah, that's all, and until next time, thank you for watching.